Right, we got the drill bit in the Rugby drill. Go ahead and pull a little safety cap off the end. You may have to use your fingernail. Okay, we're going to put the tomatoes, which are in 4-inch pots. I'm going to pull this up. And so I want to put them in this bed here. Okay, we got the tomatoes placed. We got one wilted. Let's go ahead and put them in. Move the tomato plant. Move it away farther so you don't damage it. And then 2 hands. Pull up. Down and up.
That's good. Come up. Turn it off. Oh, perfect, man. Dump that in there. See what stays in this.
Nice and deep.
Oh, yeah. You want it that deep?
Yep. Pull the the bottom 2 branches off. Pinch them off.
Right here?
Yeah, pinch that one off, and the other one, and the one above it.
Okay. This one?
Yep. Pinch all
Oh,
that
man.
off. All right.
You want to water it now?
I will turn it on before you cover it.
Oh, yeah. You put a little bit of water. You got some pour in there?
Stop. Got it. All right, let's try it again.
Turn it off. Pull it up. There you go. Now shake it off.
Ooh, that's a nice hole.
Yep.
That works nice.
Worm.
All right. Put the plant in.
A worm.
Pinch off the bottom branches. Even that other one, the little leaves on the bottom. Pinch all those off. Pinch the next one up. And one more. Okay, now put it down by the hole and squeeze the black container and it should pop out. Take the little sign out. Okay, now let's water it in. Here's the hose.
Yeah, I'll do it. You got to go real careful with it because it comes out high pressure. Let me go turn that water pressure down a little bit over. Oh.
Nice and gentle. Go full force in the drill. And just press gently. Go up and down. Yeah. No more. No more. Okay. All right. Two hands. Okay, there's one tomato down there too. You got 6. Now put it down and get all of it. And do it again. Pull it up to get the dirt out fast. There you go.
It's not doing that well. I don't know why. Anything here, Frank?
Nope.
Potting soil, vermiculite. How did that work out? Pretty good?
Yeah, I put them in outdoor potting soil, not necessarily raised bed potting soil. They did good when I overwintered them, but as
You want that in here or this in here?
either one's fine. But that one cold snap got them a little bit.
Oh.
Even when they were in the garage.